Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so a lot of you want to know what I eat throughout the day. So I decided to take you along to go dinner with me tonight. And we found a restaurant nearby my house called Soup Shop. And we're going to order some amazing Vietnamese food. I want to show you what I ordered and do some testing, taste, and see if it's worth the money. Let's go eat. Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers. Between the oxtail soup versus and the rib bone, which one is better?
So, yeah.
Which one is more popular, oxtail or the rib bone?
Oxtail.
Oxtail? Okay, I'll get that.
So, just one oxtail, right?
What do you mean just one oxtail?
One for oxtail?
Yeah, one for oxtail. And can I get my bean sprout cooked steam, please?
Okay.
Thank you. And then it's their menu right here. What attracts to us is the oxtail soup, pho noodle soup, also the rib bones. I'm gonna put a photo here to show you guys. And the price is actually quite expensive for pho. But when you walk in here, you can smell the soup. So their soup base is a 24-hour slow cooked beef bone, and served with thin noodle, garnished with white onions, green onions, cilantro. So the soup base should be very good. Overall, the restaurant is pretty clean. You can see here. It's very standard when you come to the Asian restaurant. You have a cilantro, oyster sauce, chopstick, and soup spoons. Chili paste, definitely very spicy. This is a kind of cute place. The Christmas decorations. And that's their. Oh, you can see the photo right here. This must be the oxtail soup. And then some kind of fried chicken, fried rice, garlic shrimp. Right, so this is the garlic fried. We got a fried egg in here. Although I like my egg a little bit more pan fried, a little bit, it's kind of not fried enough, but they put garlic here. So they didn't toss them. I guess you toss this yourself. And she said there's some kind of green sauce. Let me just taste the sauce. See what is it. Oh, it's good. You just mix them, I guess. Okay. I really want to try the rib bone, so I ordered this. I ordered $2.25. And what did you have there?
Garlic noodle with crispy chicken.
Okay, that looks nice. My oxtail pho noodle. Looks really nice. And when I eat pho, I always like my bean sprout steamed so it's not so cold. Because if you don't, it will be so cold. You're gonna ruin the soup base a little bit. So I'm gonna first try the garlic fries. Put in this cream sauce. Wow, the sauce is good. Very fresh and spicy. I love it. She doesn't know what's in there, probably the secret ingredient, but it's good. Fried chicken and garlic noodles. So this is the garlic noodle. Very garlicky. It's on the sweet side. Interesting. I don't know if I like it though.
What's the sauce? Something sweet.
Oh, kind of fish sauce but sweet in there. There's no flavor in the chicken. Dip it in the sweet sauce. But the skin is very crispy though. That's good. I think with sauce is better. But I don't really like sweet. When I eat savory stuff, I don't like sweet in there. The broth looks very clear. There's not a lot of fat in there. Oh, the broth is good. But I think they dilute a little bit too much still. That's good. Actually, I take out that. It's really good. Look at this ribs. This is a big piece. So I like to dip it. Oops. Mix with a cilantro and oyster sauce. It's good. Super soft. Not a lot of flavor, but it doesn't smell really. I think we call it English. You know, something that don't smell. You can very raw scent. This is good. Wow, this is huge. Try it in though.
Everything else was in the boxy.
Actually, can I get one of those to go?
So
One here, one to go.
Okay. So one wings parmesan and one combination and all tendon and barbecue noodle with egg and one cheese corn and one corn, right?
Would you come back for this again? Maybe.
Okay.
It's very hard to find an oxtail pho in our area, so let me try this oxtail. It's not falling out the bone, so a lot of gelatin in there. It just needs to cook a little bit longer to follow the bones good. Good flavor. I remember when I used to go to Neiman markets at Hawaii, Honolulu, and then one day a week, certain hour, they had this famous oxtail pho at Neiman markets. And every time I'm going there, I told my team, you have to reserve one for me. It's so hard really quick, so. And I always love it. I guess it's because the atmosphere in Hawaii. Alright, let me finish this out and we're gonna come back to you with my final thoughts. So, we'll pretty much finish everything. I definitely will be back again. Overall, I like the soup base. The flavor is really good. Oxtail can be cooked just a little bit longer, but you know, it's good. The flavor is really, really good. I probably won't order the garlic shrimp with an egg. I think it's a bit off. $9. Other than that, welcome back. Alright, so I hope you liked today taking out to go eat with me. And leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about today's video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.